Iran had 11 ships in Gulf of Oman. Now they have 0.
I'm Alex Carter. Iran's entire Navy gone in 48 hours.
Iran had 2 navies, over 100 vessels, frigates, submarines, fast boats.
March 1, Konarak Naval Basin. 3 frigates sunk simultaneously at pier.
Bandar Abbas, 13, Iran's main naval HQ, largely destroyed. Makran on fire. IRINS Makran, Iran's drone carrier, size of WWII aircraft carrier, burning.
Iran never dispersed their fleet. Every ship stayed at pier. Fatal mistake.
March 4. U.S. submarine fires Mk-48 torpedo. First kill since World War II.
Iran's most advanced Kilo submarine, sunk at pier. Mine threat, eliminated.
Frigates, corvettes, submarines, drone carriers, all eliminated systematically. Missile attacks down 90%. Drone attacks down 83%. B-52s still hunting launchers.
30 ships, 48 hours. Naval power built over 40 years. Gone. CIA tracked Iran's fleet for months. No dispersal. Perfect targets. Persistent surveillance watched every ship 24/7. No ship could hide. B-2 bombers hit command centers. No radar detected them coming.
USS Thomas Hudner fires Tomahawk, Arabian Sea, March 1. Confirmed.
3 layers: air, surface, subsurface. Iran had no answer for any layer.
Hormuz carries 20% of global oil. Iran threatened to close it. Failed.
Iran retaliated with everything left. Most intercepted. Stockpile depleting fast.
Day 1, Iran fired 400 missiles. Day 5, 90% reduction. They're running out.
Phase 2, targeting missile factories. Not just launchers, the makers.
Destroy the factory Stain, Iran can never rearm. Destroy the missiles Stain, they rebuild.
Nearly 2,000 targets, 2,000 plus munitions, air defenses, severely degraded.
Hunting Iran's last mobile missile launchers right now.
Day 0 versus Day 5, the most complete naval elimination in modern warfare. Iran's fatal error, never dispersed the fleet. Ships sat at dock, easy targets. 1 ship escaped initial strikes, later caught. Hunt continues for remaining assets.
Kilo submarine gun, hole in its side. Iran's mine-laying threat eliminated.
Iran cannot project naval power, cannot threaten Hormuz, cannot supply proxies by sea.
2 U.S. carriers versus 0 Iranian ships. The disparity is total. Monday, just 2 tankers through Hormuz. Oil hit $81. Markets shocked.
Naval war has economic consequences. Your gas price is connected to this.
Iran threatened every commercial ship. U.S. created insurance and Navy escorts.
Russia condemned strikes, sent 0 ships, 0 aircraft, 0 help.
Iran's navy gone, proxies degraded, Russia absent. Iran has never been this isolated.
Iran supplied proxies by sea. Ships gone, supply lines gone, proxies starving.
Houthis need Iranian weapons by sea. That sea route is now gone.
One naval operation severed Iran's entire proxy supply network. All of it.
Iran still has fast boats, land missiles, IRGC ground forces. Not finished.
Day 7. Still striking. Still hunting. 4 or 5 weeks, Trump says. Far from over.
3 Iran outcomes: collapse, civil war, or reconstitution. All are dangerous.
Iraq, Libya, Afghanistan. Each regime change created new chaos. Iran next?
Destroying Iran's navy is the easy part. What comes after? Nobody knows.
Iran's economy collapsing.
Military gone. Leadership gone. Currency
201 civilians killed, 700 injured. This must be acknowledged. Always.
School was 200 feet from IRGC base.
Military placed next to civilians.
Documented.
U.S.-Israel combined operation changed Middle East more than 20 years of diplomacy.
Oil at $81, up 12%. Europe gas prices surging. Analysts say $100 possible.
Your gas pump, your heating bill, your groceries, all connected to this war.
China watched every ship sink, calculating Taiwan implications. Right now.
America just showed China what happens to navies that challenge U.S. power.
Decisive action in Iran deters China on Taiwan. That is the calculation.
Russia watching too. Their Black Sea fleet struggled against Ukraine drones.
Russia, China, North Korea, all watching, all recalculating. That is deterrence.
Sinking Iran's navy cost hundreds of millions. Rebuilding it, billions. Never.
Week 2 targets knocked. Missile factories. Remaining launchers. IRGC command. Still much ahead.
U.S. demands zero enrichment. Iran cannot survive zero enrichment politically.
3 futures: democratic Iran, failed state, or slow reconstitution. Nobody knows which.
Assembly Secrets Assessment. Most decisive naval elimination since World War II.
Iran's Navy Avli, built over 40 years, the realm, eliminated in 48 hours. History was made.
Assembly Secrets is your source for every Epic Fury development. Daily updates.
Subscribe now. Iran war developing daily. Bell on top. Miss nothing.
Next, America's munitions crisis. How many Tomahawks remain? China knows.
Bandar Abbas, Day 7. Empty berths. Smoke. A Navy clearance. Erased.
USS Abraham Lincoln, still fully operational, still dominant, still launching.
Persian Gulf dawn. Strait of Hormuz open. Iran priest absent. Permanently.
From space, 2 bodies of water. 1 Navy operating. 1.
Iran's Navy, gone. 48 hours. Assembly Secrets will track what comes next.
1 MK-48 Torpedo. 81-year gap closed. Naval history made.
3 frigates, Jamaran, Bandar, Nardi, sunk at their own pier.
Hormuz open. Tankers moving. Mission achieved. Navy dominant.
Assembly Secrets. Iran war. Daily coverage. Every development. First. Soleimani class. Named after IRGC commander Trump killed in 2020. Now sunk by Trump. Kilo submarine cram. 6 torpedo tubes. Mine laying. Deep endurance. Now crippled.
Makran D, Iran's drone carrier. Made it to Venezuela. Never made it out of port.
Final numbers. All CENTCOM confirmed. Iran's Navy, by the numbers.